What's the meaning of chrysalid? Chrysalid. Chrysalid.
Chrysalid. Chrysalid. The word chrysalid refers to the pupa of a butterfly or moth. During this stage of metamorphosis, the larva undergoes a tremendous transformation, shedding its skin and developing into a fully formed adult insect. Inside the chrysalis, the pupa's body is rearranged and reconfigured as it grows legs, wings, and other appendages. After several weeks, the chrysalid splits open and the butterfly or moth emerges, ready to take flight and begin its adult life. This remarkable process is one of nature's most wondrous and awe-inspiring sights.